Kia ora, Sharon Holt here again. Today we're talking about the pronunciation of the letter E in Te Reo Māori. So the letter E in English can be pronounced like many letters in many different ways, and it can even be silent like it is on the end of a word like plain or dare. So it's silent in English in a lot of words, but in Te Reo Māori all of the sounds in Te Reo Māori are consistently pronounced, and so the E is always pronounced E. A, E, I, O, U. And the only difference would be if the E has a macron over the top, and then it would be air. So a bit longer than E, it would be air. So when we put it next to one of the consonants, it's just that sound with the E after it. He, ke, me, ne, pe, re, te, we, nge, and fe. So whenever you see any of the vowels, and on this occasion the E, whenever you see them, you'll always know how to pronounce them, and it's the key to getting the pronunciation of Te Reo Māori correctly. To make a break after every vowel, just take each word in bite-sized pieces and get the pronunciation of that vowel correct. Ka kite.